So what's up, boys? It's your boy once again, Cebuano Shogun, back with another toy review. This time I got something again from the mail. Yeah, you know what that symbol means, this crest for the Oda clan. So this is a 1/12 scale Oda Nobunaga, studio action figure. So I got this also from my good friend Mr. Dodge Labyrinto of Pre-Order 66. The link to the prestigious group will be in the description, so check it out. Let's not waste any more time. Let's open this. So let's go. So here it is, guys. The box. Pretty much some awesome details. They actually put a ukiyo-e portrait, so I don't know where that portrait comes from. So, and we have some Japanese characters, possibly maybe his name or his titles, like Demon King from the Seventh Heaven, and this is his crest, his mon. This is the symbol for the Oda clan, or this is what they put on the flags and shit. So Studios number 0001. So we may have the first figure from Studio here. So around the back we have details of what's inside. So yeah, the figure, the armor, everything kind of looks like the setup from the Palm Heroes DID toys, like the removable helmet, the armor, everything, the flag, and we have a sword and a matchlock, which is Oda Nobunaga is very famous of using. And we also have a dagger. What do they call that dagger? I forgot. So let's go, let's see what's inside. So here it is, the unboxed figure of Oda Nobunaga, and yeah, I confirmed it does kind of look like the one from the DID toys. You know, I got the DID Takeda Shingen and the DID Palm Hero toys Sanada Yukimura. So this is a new one for me. So let's take a look at the action figure. So let's do it. Hello, Oda. So this is his face. Kind of looks good. Really looks like him from the other depictions, like the anime or from Neo. But I kind of feel like he doesn't look really Japanese enough. He looks Hispanic. But it's all good. So here we go. So we have the, oh wow, I think this is for the Japanese flag, war flag. How do we put this on? Yeah, I think it goes like this. Let's check that out later. So for articulation, his head bobs up, extends it to this point. His neck flexes up to that point. Wow, pretty good neck flexion there. And he can do the whole 360 exorcist thing. For the arms, I really like the detail they did with this one. Look at that, real chains and all, cloth. So his arm extends that way, and he can also do the whole circumduction thing, but the clothes are getting in the way, so let's not do that. But I think his joint pretty much articulated when it comes to a circumduction, like all the other Palm Hero toys. This is apparently based on that line. So the same with the other. So here's the feet. So the last figure I did, the Sasaki Kojiro figure, didn't have that much articulation when it comes to the thigh, to the ankle swivel right here. At least Oda has a pretty good one. So yeah, and the same. So we can split Oda like this. Well, the clothes are getting in the way, but it's fine. You can do some kicks right here, and limited flexion of the leg right here. Well, he's human after all, so that's okay. Pretty good figure. I like him. We can also take off his armor, but it says in the back of the box, but I don't want to do it. I just want the armor like this. So let's go with the others. This is what they call a kabuto, and tied with a string, the samurai mask, or the Mempo mask. His trusty matchlock. Here we go. His tanto. Blade's pretty good. It's plastic, but it's passable. Yeah, here we go. It's really good. The katana. This one looks pretty good. So moment of truth. Wow. Look at that. Looks really good. So lastly, we got the war banner. So let's try to put these all together. Oh yeah, I forgot. I want to check out the hands. We got two pairs of hands, two with fists and open palms. Looks really good. Look at that. Kind of looks like a real hand, don't it? So I'm gonna try to put these on together. So let's do it. The helmet and the Mempo mask shouldn't be tied together like this. It can cause a lot of confusion. But I guess I gotta snip these off so we can have two separate pieces. So that's fine. So anyway, that's for Oda. So here you go. Here's the height comparison between my two DID figures and Mr. Nobunaga here. So here he is. So I kind of gave up the Mempo mask. I couldn't really get him to wear it, but kind of looks awesome with the kabuto only. So I didn't put the flag too because he would look like a Ashigaru with that. So I just used the matchlock, as Oda Nobunaga is famous for one of the few people in feudal Japan to use these kind of new technologies from the West. So this is him. So again, I found some more cons about this figure. I just can't get him to point it right. Kind of a loose joint here. Just let him hold the matchlock like that. And I found out that they're just using some kind of glue for the hand armor to stick. So I kind of preferred if they gave us hands for armors, like for the kote. They call that the kote. They should have given us hands for the kote and not the whole glue stuff. So, but overall it's a cool figure. So I don't have any quarrels with that, no doubt. This is him. They're about the same height though, but if you include the antlers On the height, I think Sonata is the tallest one of them all. But with the figures only without the helmets, they pretty much equally tall. So with this Nobunaga figure, I'm gonna give it at least a 7 out of 10. The glued hands, the gluing hands thing, I don't like it. I can't really have him point up his gun like properly because of the loose joint. And unlike the other figures, they have hand armor. So, and they lack the accessories. But overall, it's a nice figure. And he looks kind of Hispanic. But that's okay. I really like the detail they put into this figure, like the chains and the bars for armor. Like how samurai armor from the real feudal war is supposed to be, and all the detail around his armor is so nice. The sword too, the sword looks pretty awesome. So that's all for Oda Nobunaga. So let's try to make some poses again. So let's go. So guys, thank you so much for watching my toy review, my Oda Nobunaga 112 Yep Studio toy review. There they are. So don't forget to like, subscribe, share to your friends, hit the notification bell for more updates. Thank you for watching, everyone. This has been the Cebuano Shogun, and you know I love my samurai figures. Don't worry, there's gonna be more coming. There's gonna be a lot more coming. So thank you, Kayo. Thank you very much, Pre-Order 66, for always having my back when all these samurai figures come out. So thank you so much, Uncle Dodge Labyrinto. Thank you so much. If you guys really wanna grab these figures and you're just in the Philippines, join our group on Facebook, Pre-Order 66. It's on the link below at the description box. So guys, thank you so much. See you on the next one.